Hi there, 6th graders, Mr. Kurt here, and just a real quick video to get you going on this week 13, and it's going to be very similar to last week. You have two folders of Edgenuity to go through. We're calling this Latin America Ecosystems and Culture this week, and so you'll have a series of vocab videos and then quizzes, two separate folders worth to get done Monday through Friday. And as always, the reminder, please check your grades, go through everything for the week, make sure you are all set with what you need to do, come up with a plan and schedule for yourself, and just know that we're getting close to the end of the semester, and really need to get everything done, turned in. So this week we do have something a little bit extra. It's called the Unit 3 Vocab Picture Album. All the directions will be right here, but it will be posting some pictures, which we've done before. So, all right, let me know if you have any questions. I will talk to you soon. Thanks.